Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. I have the link in the description down below, guys, for the Telegram group chat if you want to join. We are a community that grows together. Also, I have a link for the monthly subscription. You get automated signals and where you know exactly when to buy or not. You also get guidance and of course you are having a script for your trading view. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content, and we are going now to the technical analysis for Polygon. Right now we are seeing the 1.49 as a support level, 1.58 as a resistance that we broke. Those two targets here, guys, were for the short term. We now went even above and we are now at the 1.72. We have 1.78 and of course our major resistance level, the 1.94 to 1.95, around this area, guys, where is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels. So these are the support and resistance levels. We are going to see afterwards where are we going. Let's go to the MACD on the 4-hour frame. Pretty good, guys. We just surpassed this resistance level. We are now looking forward to make higher lows and higher highs. Fortunately, we are now in a situation where the blue line is above the signal line. So we are fine, but we need to follow the higher low pattern we always talk about, right? Even if we have a bearish cross between the two lines, we won't mind, as well as even if we go a little bit down. But what we don't want to see, guys, is eventually go further down from this line. Eventually, if we go all the way down, then this won't be good. For now, we stand pretty fine in the 4-hour frame for the MACD. We are set and ready to go to Polygon against USDT, guys. In the 4-hour frame, you can see something here that we might have approached an overbought situation on the 4-hour frame. You can see the RSI is above the 70 and also the commodity channel index above the 100. So you have to be careful. It is very likely to correct a little bit after this situation right here. So the buying opportunity that the SSL channel has, maybe we have, but not for the short term, right? We might correct here. Be careful as we approach the higher 70 pattern here for the RSI and the higher above 100 for the commodity channel index, above this gray zone right here. When we are overextended, we might correct for the short term for a little bit. Let's go to Polygon, guys, on the daily frame. On the daily frame, you can see though, we are not in an overbought situation, right? We are in the middle for the RSI. We are eventually in the middle for the commodity channel index. We don't experience any overbought situation. That means after a minor correction here, we can grow even more, right? So in the daily frame, guys, we are looking good. What we want to see eventually is this bullish recross. Guys, I think this is one of the most important factors for the daily frame for now for Polygon. We need to see the bullish recross for the MACD. Once we see this and the further, of course, distance between the blue line and the signal line, the orange line, then we are absolutely fine. But for now, let's remain a bit, let's calm down a bit and see the future. Right now, we have room to grow. We might not grow more though, because we have lower highs for the RSI pattern. What we want to see is to surpass this high right here for the RSI. Breaking this will be extremely good, and we will be able to retest the 1.94 USDT, right? So therefore now we are in the middle of the Bollinger Bands. We had there a buying opportunity. Now we're in the middle, so we are not in an overbought situation, guys. Of course, in the daily frame it is a little bit different for the mid term. We are not in an overbought situation, right? So either we can go down, either we can go upwards as well. Let's see a bit the SSL hybrid, guys, and of course hide the Bollinger Bands. I want to see the SSL hybrid because it has some good buying opportunities. For example, here you can see the blue arrow. It tells us that we should buy. Now we don't have a red arrow that we should short, we should sell. Of course, there you can see, guys, sometimes it is good, sometimes it is not. It is better to combine this indicator with other indicators as well. But in general, guys, this is a great indicator. It is better than the SSL channel in my opinion, right? So let's go to MATIC against Bitcoin. On the 4-hour frame, you can see we are in a sort of a position like the USDT, although for the RSI we are a little bit beyond the 70 level. For the commodity channel index, we are in an extreme overbought situation. Therefore, we might have found our resistance level right here, and now we might correct down to these support levels. What we want to see is eventually if we can retest here the support level, or even if we can retest the 0.618, it's fine. We don't want to go beyond the 0.618, this retracement, Fibonacci retracement line right here, the gray line right here, guys. We don't want to go beyond the green line, right? So therefore we are standing good, but on the 4-hour frame, guys, for now we might have some risk involved. We have to be careful. Let's go to Polygon in the daily frame. You can see on the daily frame we are not standing in an overbought situation. Most likely we are just on the minus 100, near the minus 100 rather than near the 100, the top line of the commodity channel index. Same it is for the RSI as well, guys. We are in the middle of the RSI, approximately, guys, at 50, around 50 for the RSI, when the limits are the bottom line is the 30 and the top line is the 70, right? So for the MACD we need to see the bullish recross here. And of course, we need to see if we can have the bullish cross and the further distance between those lines. We need them in order to reassure, guys, that we are going again upwards, right? We need to stay upwards. We found support level in the 50-day MA, that's good, guys. And of course we needed this momentum. I told you guys we would go upwards, and the 20-day MA won't cross for now the 50-day MA. This is absolutely good. Let's go now to our price analysis and the Polygon. You can see here, if we just go beyond the support level of the gun funds, we are going to the bottom trend line, the 2-1, right? We are going down. For the time being we are fine, but for now I believe we will soon correct. We will soon be correcting. Might be a red candle here and then go our way downwards, right? Because I will tell you why. First of all, the RSI, guys, is above the 70. We are in an overbought situation here. We are also on the Bitcoin. If I go to the 4-hour frame, let's see where are we. Now we have gone a little bit downwards. It's okay. MATIC against Bitcoin, guys, is moving outwards. It is outperforming Bitcoin. That's why you can see we don't go down as much as Bitcoin does, right? So Bitcoin has had some red candles here, but eventually, as we are moving downwards in the 4-hour frame, you can see it remains its position. Therefore, guys, going even higher might be possible for Bitcoin, but for now we are correcting a little bit. And of course, if I go on the daily frame, you want to see something very, very good. On the daily frame though, we are in an extreme overbought situation for the daily commodity channel index. You have to be careful about that, guys. Be careful a bit on the daily frame, and as long as we don't surpass this resistance line, we won't be saying that we are going even further above the 42, 41, 42,000 Tether USD for Bitcoin. That's being said, because you can see we are having lower highs for the RSI. Therefore, we need a momentum where we can break this resistance level. Then we can actually say that we will have the swing high keep going for Bitcoin. But you have to be careful. You have to be careful from now on. Even on the 4-hour frame, guys, we might just go a little bit further downwards. So here we might have a bearish cross in the 4-hour frame. However, the 4-hour frame MACD looks good. Higher lows and higher highs. You can see the Bitcoin. Therefore, guys, on the 4-hour frame, I believe you should wait before you reinvest in MATIC. For now, you can get in at a lower price, and we will see on the daily frame what we can do, because as I've told you, on the daily frame we are not in an overbought situation. So therefore, even after we have a correction here for MATIC and go even down, we might go even down to 1.48 again. That doesn't mean that we are going all the way down for now. We have a bullish recross here on the 4-hour frame and the 50-day EMA on the 20-day EMA, guys, the yellow line, and the 50-day EMA, the red line. So we can eventually go even higher. We can break the 1.72, we can go to even to 1.79. Why not? Why not, guys? If we make this as support level, go eventually to 1.95. This is our ultimate price target, right? We need to go there, and we need to surpass the 1.79 Tether USD. As long as we are doing this, we are absolutely fine and ready to rock, right? But for now, guys, please just wait, because you can see we are in a critical level that we might be going downwards. Although it is not impossible to see something like this and then go upwards again, right? So we might just correct for a little bit before we go upwards to 1.79 1.79. But approximately, guys, I'm just telling you that we are in an overbought situation, so you have to be now careful. It is better to minimize the risk than investing when we are having a risk, right? Even if we go to 1.79, it is better now to wait and have our correction, because you can see we went so much upwards. We will have a correction, a minor correction, and afterwards we can see what we will do. Eventually, guys, Bitcoin went down up to 41,000 USDT, almost there. You can see that. And now we want to see whether we will be going upwards or downwards from here on the daily frame. Don't forget, on the commodity channel index, guys, we are having an overbought situation. Therefore, we should be a little bit careful. The MACD looks fine on the daily frame. However, you can see the lower high pattern we are forming. Of course, for the MACD on the daily frame, we want to go above this line right here. It would be very, very good. And we can, if we can break this line, we can go to 46,000 Tether USD. Then Polygon, of course, will go even higher than 1.95. For now, these are our next price targets for the short term, 1.79, 1.95. For now, guys, if you are a new investor, just wait a little bit. We are sitting in an overbought situation for the 4-hour frame. Therefore, we might experience some further to the down, 1.60, 1.48 USDT. Of course, there is a possibility, guys, that the Bitcoin will have a correction here for more. Therefore, I believe that for now it is safer not to invest. If you are a new investor and you want to invest right now, just hold your breath a little bit, hold your money, hold your portfolio, and the right time will come. I am here to daily update. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market, guys. And of course, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.